industry-academia partnership initiative of the conference is to the Department of Administration founded apt to of Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management.
It's a feeling of homecoming for me. Even though I belong to this state, I never worked in this state. So it gives me a great feeling of homecoming. Thank you for this opportunity. For me, this international conference is unique in 3 ways. Number one, there are more than 70 agricultural universities in this country. More than 100 ICR organizations are working for agriculture development. But one of the management institute has taken a lead to talk on agribusiness management. This is a trendsetter for other 1 lakh management institutions in this country to talk on agribusiness.
When our director proposed about this conference, first I really surprised because I am very much concerned about if an international conference means there should be really. He convinced me, I am ready to agree because the topic was very attractive for me. Because I am an agriculturist, but not I am an agri-business guy. And also today trend is moving from culture to business. This is not only the agriculture field, from each and every field today, our culture moving towards the business. Then I thought, yes, I also should be witness for this.
munene tothie na thutha hanini hanini muthenya uyu tothie na mbere hanini hanini muthenya uyu ni hanini muthenya uyu ni munene mugithi ni othie na mbere mugithi na mugithi uyu mugithi ni othie na mbere mugithi uyu mugithi uyu
So it is very rare, very nice, and it is of the best premium quality. How it is being done, I'll show you later. But now their economic conditions have revived too much. We understand that spouse contribution is limited. Children, there is only one person as of now in Mangalore, particularly ladies, Catholic ladies in this business. There are other merchants who have come up and they are not dealing with Mangalore Pan, they are dealing with other pans, and Mangalore Pan is going down. Reasons for not taking up trade are many, but even it is the social life which they feel is being affected. What is the most important one? We are having the newer versions of pan, and this is actually an addiction, and due to these new entrants, there is no future for the traditional use of pan. Suggestions, okay? This is a nut which is being cut. A leaf, if it is done without using artificial manure, it would last for 7 days. If you put pesticides, it will last only for 1 day. Shelf life is 1 day. But without pesticides,
very profound significant outcomes is also very important aspect of the paper, and a lot of suggestions provided and at different stages. Of course, the role of women.
Usage of water so that it goes into the capillary system of all the different vegetation. So maybe for sugarcane they use vegetables, mostly in these areas it is sugarcane, vegetables, grapes, for which they use the drip irrigation. So moving forward to the objectives of the study. So these are the objectives of my study. The first one is to find out the impact of the land holdings on the adoption of drip irrigation system. That is, if a person is holding less land, is he going for drip irrigation, or more land is he going for drip irrigation? Then to determine the impact of the annual income of the farmers. Then next.
At the outset, I must compliment the Department of Business Administration of the SIRD College of Engineering Management for having thought of and organized an international conference on a very contemporary topic. The theme has significance for the prevailing agriculture scenario in India and also the emerging economies. I'm very glad that we have a lot of friends from Africa, which are most of the nations are developing and emerging, where agriculture is a major and significant contributor to the growth. So I'm sure they can learn from the experience in India. I thank the faculty, the students and the management for inviting me. I think it's more of a learning process, and I'll share with you my perspective on the agricultural services with special reference to financial services. From a predominantly agricultural economy at the time of independence, we are all aware that India has now become an economy which is a mixed economy. Agriculture, industry and services. Of course, in the recent 2 decades, service is dominating because manufacturing is coming. So there is a pressing need in India. So the dependency ratio will be low with a lot of scope for savings and investment. So that is a plus point for us, provided we are managing the human capital very well. Support 15% of the world's livestock. Needs to create 12 million jobs annually against.
Morning, one and all. My topic is factors influencing the adoption of drip irrigation, an empirical study with selected districts of Karnataka. So, first is drip irrigation. You must be knowing what drip irrigation is. Even though it is more famous in the 90s, it has been started
from the School of Social Work, Rochelle, Juna Daniel Bandy. From his father, Mr. Andrew Soames. Soil testing and other facility, Kapilumera. He has a diploma in agriculture from University of Malappuram. He's done
Agriculture and horticulture.
The opportunity for me as a farmer to come and meet learning people, scholars, bankers and entrepreneurs.